Aquaba, welcome back to Diane S channel. So we're getting them fed, and this is going to be the fams, Jackie and Camille, Tanique's first meal in Ghana. You see how they have the camera, so you know we will tourist up the thing. Let me show you so you can see what's here. This is what.
This is grilled fish with Ghanaian jollof rice. We will see if it is better than the Gambian benachin. Let the taste test begin.
Okay. And Camille, what that you order?
So
Look quite big now.
Well, I wouldn't say this is a big fish. I would say it's a huge fish. I don't know what my stomach will hold, but I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
The challenge begins.
So you're liking what you see so far?
So far, my eyes is good.
What you think about the space that I brought you to eat? When you're entering, how do you feel coming in?
Very comfortable, very cozy, cool and just nice. Good atmosphere.
Awesome, awesome. And here we have our driver. He's eating his Ghanaian dish, banku, and
Everything about my space.
samo.
Which one am I?
Guys, this is, as I said, a little quickie, and they're gonna dive into their meal. I'm sorry, I'm waiting on my meal, and Dennis is having a tuna salad. I'm waiting for that. I ordered it a bit late, so please like, share,
Which one is better?
subscribe, and hit the notification
Next we
bell.
have to go to Nigeria.
Merci.
And settle the score. once and
Thank
for all.
you. God bless.